real quick. For those that don't know and have never used it, this is AudioShare. Okay, so you see what it looks like. Let me show you the icon. It's right here, AudioShare. AudioShare is made by the same developer of AUM. One of the things that's really cool about it that a lot of people probably sleep on or maybe just don't use because if they're engulfed in AUM, I get it, right? But it has this little microphone thing at the bottom. And if you click on it, it opens up what you're looking at on the screen right now. It's a recorder. The recorder, you can actually hit record and start playing or talk or whatever you want to do. But you're going to see my voice disappear and I can't explain it, so you're going to have to just pay attention to what I'm doing. You can actually put in the effects slot, you can put Koala, and you can record either vocals or whatever you want. You'll have to switch it out. You basically only have one channel, right? With AUM, you can have quite a few channels. You can have tons of them. But this is only a one channel opportunity to record, but you can do a lot. And I've found a couple of things that work really well. One is if you bring Koala in, let's bring it in, you'll hear. Okay, so you've heard the drop off just because I had to turn the headphone on. If you turn the headphone on, it's working in an IAA, which is basically using it, I guess, like a standalone. I'm not going to get into details of explaining that, but you see where it says IAA. You can bring your samples in, right, and play your drums that way. You can bring a sample in, like this is a sample of some chords, right? I brought that sample in as some chords, played the chords. I'll mute this, right? Get started. So check this out. This is what it sounds like. So you see how you can get your track going, playing some chords. Then I wanted to play the melody over those chords. So this is where it gets different. I'm going to stop it. There's opportunities where you could just use a one shot and then play in via MIDI controller. Or, check this out. You can go in and turn the mic off and put an instrument in this first slot. Watch. So I'm going to hit the plus. I'm going to add the instrument. You will not be able to hear my voice. But these other two effect slots too can be used for effects, right? To go into Koala. But watch this. So you have a file player. This is very similar to what you have in AUM. You have the main end, which is a mic, or the hardware, I should say. Then you have the file player where you can bring a loop in, or you can choose from inner app audio sources. Now, I hope the developer of this would enhance this just a little bit. I know a lot of people probably don't use this, but if he enhanced it a little bit, just by putting the AUV3s and give you a few more slots, you could actually just use this for some simple recording in without having to go through AUM and do the whole process if you just wanted to bring instruments in. Because a lot of times with Koala, I work in standalone, so I want to be able to just have an instrument going that I can play in. Okay, so watch this. I'm going to add the E instruments pure piano. Actually, I'm going to use the pure upright. Okay, so now I'm back on. I had to turn the monitor on. So you see what I mean? You could literally record the keys right into Koala. This is great. This would be nice to have just this feature to be able to open it with Koala or in Koala. However, just to be able to record an instrument in when you want to create maybe a solo or a lead or some chords or something else. I don't know if this is out there, but I really think something simple like this would be a great asset to Koala to be able to record in AUV3s or IAAs or however you want to do it. Anyway, it's just a thought that I had, and I know a lot of people don't use this, and I understand why. There's a lot of options out there, but if you want to be in Koala as standalone and not have to use all this extra stuff, it would be nice to have something like this. Anyway, that's it for this video. Just wanted to put that out there that you can use AudioShare for more than just storing files in it. I'm out.